Welcome to Learn English Easy. And today we have English grammar. Verb conjugation do. Simple present. I do, you do, he does, she does, we do, they do. Simple past. I did, you did, he did, she did, we did, they did. Simple future. I will do, you will do, he will do, she will do, we will do, they will do. Thank you for watching.